Sometimes you may just get a security alert from Google like this telling you that there is a new sign-in on Windows for this specific email account. In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about whether or not you should worry about this and what you should do to ensure that your account is 100% safe. This is a common notification that most of us receive from Google. So you see, what happens is that our email addresses are actually not personal. It's public. It may be available on Facebook, or our email addresses may be available on different websites. We never know where we signed up, where we put our email addresses. Sometimes what happens is that people from weird places may just try to hack your account. So in that attempt, the algorithm for Google is going to detect that and automatically send you a notification like this. So if the device that is trying to log into your account is not recognized by Google, they are definitely going to go ahead and trigger a warning to you so that we can take the next steps to ensure the account is secure. So let me give you an example. I received this email sometime back today from Google when I myself was logging into my account in the Chrome incognito mode. So you see how fast Google systems are. Even if your device is recognized by them, if they find any little thing suspicious, they're going to notify you about it. And I would like to, take this opportunity to actually thank Google, because you never know, this could be a hacker. So in such a case, in such a situation, what you need to do is, number one, do not panic. Google has a fantastic security system. So it is clearly mentioned out here in the email. We noticed a new sign in to your Google account on a Windows device. If this was you, you don't need to do anything. If not, we'll help you secure your account. So if you think that this was you, if you know it for sure, that's okay. You don't have to do anything. But if you think that, no, this is not me, this is somebody else, you could go ahead and secure your account by changing the password or turning on two-factor authentication. Now, say supposing this was not you. So what you need to do is click on check activity. You're going to be directed to this page on which you could see the device information, basic information. Okay. So it was a Windows device, location, right? And since it was this device, I already, mentioned that it was this device. It's giving me a blue tick. But if it was not this device, you're going to get more information out here. Now, if you think this was not you, you could click on this option, no, secure your account. So once you do this, you're going to be prompted to reset your password, turn on two-factor authentication and stuff like that. Apart from this, what you could also do is check and see whatever devices are using your email account or your Gmail account. In order for you to do that, just click on the profile icon out here, click on manage your Google account, and then you get to this page, scroll down, click on devices, and then you could see all the devices that are using your account, your email account basically, okay? So if you do not recognize any device, say supposing you do not recognize this device, click on that specific device information. You may just be prompted to log in. You get directed to this page on which you could sign out your email address from the device. So if you click on sign out, your email address is going to get signed out and that device is not going to have access to your email account anymore. So apart from just confirming the device by clicking on check activity, you should also go ahead to your devices to see which devices you recognize and which you do not. Which you do not, just remove it. That's it. No need to panic. Okay. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.